So we are printing the base for the Thomas windmill, and here is the card for Stephen the rocket, or Steven. Now I have here, this one is the red, pulled by, I think I saw Millie pulling one or three cards of this. Obviously I need to remove the supports, but I'm gonna show you something. See this here? It's a stop motion animation. There's no sound, but look at that. I don't know if you guys have a time and support this little creator. Look at that. He's working right there as we speak. So I did not put him to do this. He's doing this by himself. And I discovered yesterday that he's been working on that creations. Wow, good job, Anthony. So check the link in the description, subscribe, take a look at this young YouTuber. It's doing great content and is actually 1 week old creating these things. And I'm telling you, he is really good. I have never seen this. I know there are some people doing this online, but man, it's a 8 years old kid and look what he's doing. Good job, Anthony. Please like and subscribe. Check the link in the description.